Picture this. You wake up, check the mirror, and nothing has changed. You've tried eating more meals, late-night snacks, powders, and strict diets. Maybe you even push harder than your friends at the gym. Yet while they bulk up, you stay the same. The frustration builds, and you start to wonder if your body is just broken. The idea is simple. Keep eating your normal meals. No strict diets, no complicated rules. Then, just add one powerful shake a day for 21 days. Each shake packs 1,000 plus calories and 40 grams of protein, made with just 7 simple ingredients you can buy at any grocery store. The 21-Day Gainer Shake Plan main program, the complete core guide with 21 calorie-dense shakes, a full grocery list, a prep guide, ingredient swap options for allergies, and troubleshooting tips so you can follow with confidence. Take action now.